All right, hello guys. Some guys have been doing some requests on how I did some of those concrete projects. Wanted to show you guys how we got some of that done. These are forms, molds. They're made out of latex, I believe. They come in 8-foot lengths and they're $100. So they're not cheap. One thing you can do if you don't have the money for those is you can use aluminum foil crimpled up around the edges of your forms and it'll do the same thing. Here's a couple just came out, kind of show you what the rock form edge looks like there. Here's another one over here. And then here's one we've done and just took our finger or a brick tool and put lines in it, and we'll stain those different colors. There's that rock edge on that. These haven't been finished or stained yet. There's a shot of those decorative edges. There's some holidays. We'll rub that. And we're getting ready to pour one. There's our mud we're getting ready to pour. We're going to be pouring this one here for a table. And you see we're putting 3/8 rebar in there and tying it. The mix we're using on this is Maximizer 5500 and just regular Portland at about almost a 50-50 ratio. Let me show you this base here. This is just a base that's going to be on the table out of cedar. It's going to be being put together here shortly. It's going to have these rods across the bottom. They're not in yet. It's just a cedar base. There's really not any need to attach those tops to those bases because the top's so, I'd say that top probably weighs 75 pounds, and so there's really not a need to attach them. They can just set on. And as far as form release, that's what we're using there. I've got forms for sinks and countertops, and I'll show you another project here we did out here. This is a grill we did, and it's bar stool height, and it's pretty nice for the winter time because you can sit around it and stay warm, have drinks. And this hood comes completely off, so it comes like a little Japanese restaurant. Everybody can sit around and cook their own food and stay warm in the winter. Put this back on, excuse my camera. So some guys been asking me how we did those things. Well, sorry. The legs on that's poured in 3-inch PVC pipe. Let's see if you can see those are round. That's a chunk there, and those are epoxied into that chunk there, and then that's a chunk there, and that's epoxied in. Okay. So that's some of the stuff we're using to get some of those concrete projects done, and maybe I'll come back a little later, show you some sinks and stuff. Okay, thanks for watching.